Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. I am Wajid Hussain, lecturer in Southern Business School, Institute of Southern Punjab. The subject is International Business Management. Lecture 4 and week is also 4. Our topic is ethics in international business. What is ethics? Moral principles that govern a person's behavior or the conducting of an activity is known as ethics. Ethics is the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. Ethics is a system of moral principle. Ethics is a concern with what is good for individual and society and is also described as a moral philosophy. The term is derived from Greek word ethos, which can mean customs, habits, character, or disposition. Ethics is defined as moral philosophy of code of moral parties practices practiced by a person or group of people. An example of ethics is a code of conduct set by business. And ethics is important. Why ethics is important? Basic principles of ethics can help us lead a more fulfilling life, whether on a personal or professional level. Ethics is a system of principles that help us tell right from wrong, good from bad. Ethics can give real and practical guidance to our lives. And why we need ethics? We need to be ethical because it defines who we are individually and as a society. There are norms of behavior that everyone should follow. However, an ethical person must be willing, at least sometimes, to place the interest of others ahead of self-interest because of our responsibilities to civil society. And what is international business? International business refers to the trade of goods, services, technology, capital, or knowledge across national border and at global or transactional scale. It involves cross-border transaction of goods and services between two or more countries. It is international business. And what are the advantages of international business? There are many advantages. New revenue potential, the ability to help more people, greater access to talent, learn a new culture, exposure to foreign investment opportunities, improving your company reputation, diversification company market. These are the benefits of your advantage of international business. Table of content, learning objectives, learning outcomes, culture and workplace, culture change, cross culture literacy, introduction, ethical issues in international business, employment practices, human rights, environmental pollution, corruption, moral obligation, classroom performance system, and assignment. In the end of the lecture, there will be assignment. You have to prepare that assignment and send me before the next lecture. It will be marked, and also your attendance will base on this assignment. Learning object explain what is meant by ethics, explain how a manager can incorporate ethical consideration into their decision making, the root of unethical behavior. Learning outcome after learning this subject, student will understand the ethical issues faced by the international business, recognize an ethical dilemma, identify the cause of unethical behavior by manager, describe the different philosophical approaches to the ethics. Culture and the workplace. It is important for companies to understand how a society culture affect workplace values. Management process and practices must be adapted to culture dilemma, work-related values. Great Hofstede identify four dimensions of culture: power, distance, uncertainty, avoidance, individualism versus collectivism, and masculinity versus femininity. Culture and workplace power distance. Power distance focus on the how a society deals with the fact that people and unequal in physical and intellectual capabilities. Individualism versus collectivism focus on the relationship between the individual and his or her fellows. Uncertainty avoidance. Uncertainty avoidance measure the extent to which different culture society their members into accepting ambiguous situation and tolerating ambiguity. Masculinity versus femininity. Look at the relationship between gender and work rules. And culture change. Culture evolves over time, although change in value system can be slow and painful for a society. Social turmoil is an inevitable outcome of the cultural changes. As countries become economically stronger, culture change is particularly common. Implication for managers. Societies differ because their culture vary because of proud differences in social structure, religion, languages, education, economic philosophy, and the political philosophy. There are three important implications that follow from these differences. There is a need to develop cross-cultural literacy. There is a connection between culture and the national competitive advantage. There is a connection between culture and ethics in decision making. These are implications for manager. And cross-cultural literacy. Cross-cultural literacy is a critical to the success of international business. Companies that are ill-informed about the practices of another culture are unlikely to succeed in that culture. Manager must also be aware of ethnocentric behavior or believe in the superiority of one's own culture. Culture and competitive advantages. The connection between culture and competitive advantages is important because it suggests which country are likely to produce the most visible competitor. It has implication for the choice of the countries in which located production facilities and business. Introduction. Ethics refers to the accepted principle of rights or wrong that govern the conduct of person, the members of the professions, or the action of an organization is ethics. That are principles of right or wrong that govern the conduct of person. And business ethics are the accepted principle of right or wrong governed by the conduct of business people. And the ethical strategy is a strategy or course of action that does not violate these accepted principles. This is ethical strategy. Ethical issues in the international business. There are some issues in ethical issues in the international business. The most common ethical issues in the business involve employment practices, human rights, environmental regulation, corruption, the moral obligation of multinational companies. These are issues faced in international business. Employment practices, it work if work condition in a host nations are clearly inferior to those in a multinational's home nation, should companies apply home country standard, host country standard, and sometime in between. What is home country? Home country refers to the country where the headquarter is. And what is host country? Host country refers to the foreign countries where companies invest. Parent country national is the person working in country other than their country of origin. Such a person is also referred to as or as an expatriate. Expatriate belongs to parent country. Detail of parent country's definition. A parent country national PCN is a person working in the country other than his country of origin. That if a person origin is the country Pakistan, that he is working in the other country like Saudi and other country. Home native, home and native is his origin, but he's working in other country. Such a person is also referred to an expatriate, your parent country nationals. And host country national, a host country national SCN is an employee of an organization who is citizen of country in which the foreign subsidiary is located. And third country, the other country national, third country nationals TCN described as an individual of other nationalities hired by a government or government sanctioned contractor who represent neither the contracting government, your home country, nor the host country, your area of the operation is a third country nationals. Human rights in developed countries, basic human rights such as freedom of association, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and freedom of movement are taken for granted. In other countries, these rights may not exist. Environmental pollution, ethical issues arise when environmental regulation in the host nations are far inferior to those in the home. Environmental question take an added important because some parts of the environment are public goods that no one own but anyone can despoil. Despoil. The tragedy of the commons occurs when a resource is held in common by all but owned by no one is overused by individuals, resulting in this degradation. Degradation. Corruption. The U.S. Foreign Corrupt Practice Act outlawed the practice of paying bribes to foreign government officials in order to gain business. The Convention on Combating Bribery of Foreign Public Official in International Business Transaction, adopted by the Organization for Economic Corruption and the Development OECD. Organization, O mean organization, E for economic, C for corporation, and D for development. Oblige member states to make the bribery of foreign public official a crime offense. And corruption, some economists believe that in the country where pre-existing political structure distort or limit the working of the market mechanism, corruption in the form of black marketing, smuggling, and side payment to the government bureaucrats to speed up approval for business investment may actually enhance welfare. Other economists have argued that corruption reduces the return on business investment and leads to how economic growth. Moral obligation, social responsibility refers to the ideas that business people should like the social consequences of economic action into account when making business decision, and there should be presumption in favor of the decision that have both good economic and good social consequences. Social responsibility can be supported for its own sake simply because it is right way for the business to believe. Advocates argue, argue that business needs to recognize their noble, oblige, honorable, and benevolent behavior that is responsibility of successful companies and give something back to the societies that have made their successful possible. Ethical dilemma are the situation in which none of the available alternatives seems ethically acceptable. The ethical obligation of the multinational corporation towards the employee condition, human rights, corruption, environmental pollution, and the use of power are not always clear cut. The roots of unethical behavior, there are no clear cut reason why managers behave unethically. The cause of unethical behavior are complex and reflect personal ethics, decision making processes, leadership, unrealistic performance, expectation, and original culture. These are cause of unethical behavior. And roots of unethical behavior, determinant of ethical behavior. Ethical behavior determinants are decision making process, leadership, unrealistic performance goal, organization culture, and personal ethics. These are five determinant of ethical behavior. Personal ethics, the generally accepted principle of right. Principle of right, the generally accepted principle of right and wrong governing the conduct of individual influences business ethics. Expectorate may face pressure to violate their personal ethics because they are away from their ordinary social context and the supporting culture, and they are psychologically and geographically distant from the parent company. Decision making process, people may believe unethical because they rely on the economic analysis when making decision and fail to ask the relevant question: is this decision or action ethical? Organization culture refers to the values and the norms that are shared among employees of the organization in form with the organization culture, and that does not implies business culture. Unethical behavior may exist. Unethical performance expectation, when the company sets unrealistic performance goals, managers may cut corner of act in an unethical manner. Organizational culture can legitimize unethical behavior of the reinforcement the need of ethical behavior. Leadership help to establish the culture of organization, and the example that other follow. When leader act unethically, subordinate may act unethically too. So the student in the assignment, you have to prepare the assignment on the ethical issues. You have to discuss ethical issues and prepare this assignment carefully and send me after before the next lecture. This assignment will be marked. Also, your attendance depend on this assignment, and this assignment marks will be added in as a sessional marks in your result, in your degree. So please, you have to fulfill and prepare the assignment that the unethical issues. What are the unethical issues? I hope you will prepare this assignment. Thank you, student. Allah Hafiz.